Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Avery Siva. So today I have came up with an pro audio segment. This is a power amplifier, which is like used in a theaters and all. As you people knows, we are working and we are giving a service for a complete commercial theaters and all in whole Bangalore and Mangalore and Mysore and few areas and all. So this is one of the amplifier from them. So this is a complete digital amplifier, which is 4 channel amplifier, which is peak is around 1200 watt per channel at 1 ohms. Actually they have mentioned per channel will be 400 watt easily, it will continuous watt. Boost will be like burst will be like around 800 watt, something like they have mentioned. So this is completely digital amplifier. So you can see there is no big transformer, big any components and all. You won't get any bigger transformer. Simple but effective. So this is power section for amplifier, and this is a chopping transformer, and this is a primary this is a low voltage chopping, a high voltage chopping. Low voltage is for turning on the system. After turning on you will get a high voltage. That high voltage is meant for done by this transformer. So everything working fine. Actually the issue was here, the complete section has gone bad here. These two MOSFET, these and this many small components and all. Because why means this two MOSFET has gone bad. This is actually channel. This is two MOSFET actually for one channel. So as you can see from easily 1 2 3 4, one channel, two channel, three channel, four channel. So this channel has gone bad. Because of that high short, the complete power section has gone bad. So on that time we have to change complete the diodes, switching diodes, small resistance, capacitance, this MOSFET, everything complete. I have to change that. Now I have done that also. So now actually it's working fine. Now I'm turning on the system. You can see the QSC logo. This is actually booting actually. After booting you will get a higher voltage. So now higher voltage also released. So we'll get a like a status will be okay. This should come. This system is come amp status okay. This is for 1 2 3 channel, easily A B C D, like 4 channel. And even after that you can observe here small LED also lighting. This is actually now it's healthy. So I have to replace this. After replacing the channel also will be okay. So this is what actually after repair. And inside of this particular DPA series QSC, it's completely premium, completely different than analog amplifiers. So this is how it looks like. And I have another also same board, same thing only. And these are the components from the QSC. I have raised the order. This is these are the components from the QSC and all. Complete original, everything will be original actually. So this is how it looks like. And thank you everyone for watching our YouTube channel and our page. So if anyone requires any service related to completely premium segment audio service, so kindly do contact Dr. Avery. And we are located in Elanka, Chikkabamma, Sandra. Thank you and all. Bye bye.